Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you the safest and easiest way to transfer money from your Atomic wallet to a bank account in 2025. If you've been wondering how to get your crypto into cash, this video is for you. Now, Atomic Wallet doesn't support direct bank withdrawals, but don't worry, it's simple. First, you'll need to send your crypto to a trusted exchange that does allow bank transfers like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. Start by opening your Atomic wallet and choosing the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Click send and paste your deposit address from your exchange. Make sure you select the correct network and double check the address to avoid mistakes. Once your funds arrive in the exchange wallet, head to the sell or convert to fiat section and exchange your crypto for your local currency, like USD or EUR. Then, go to the withdraw or cash out section and select your preferred bank transfer method. This could be a wire transfer or other options depending on your region. Confirm that all your bank details are correct and submit the transaction. Your money should hit your account within a few business days. To keep your funds secure, always enable two-factor authentication and avoid using public Wi-Fi when making transfers. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more easy tech tutorials like this, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.